YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. I'm going to have a go at a thumb turn today. I've cut the end off already, took the bits out to save some time. It looks like a 6-pinner. I'm not sure what type of core it is, but the pins are really small again, so I'm not sure if it's fishbone or not, but I'm prepared this time. So I intend to pick it, cut it, and then repin it up as a challenge lock. So let's do first things first and see if I can pick it. There we go. I've got it stuck up there now. So I'm out of shot. I'll have to pause this a minute. Yeah, bear with me. Alright YouTube, I'm back. I've managed to get the slip pin off, not slip pin, C-clip, and doing that I locked it up again, so I just had to sit and pick it again, and oh, just give me grief. I've not got a shim long enough. So we'll see what happens with this when I go straight in with this. There we go. So it's not a fishbone core, but they are small pins. Let's do this quick because I've spent far too long on it. Two come out there, so right, these are all standard. If the camera lets me, I'll take a couple of pictures of it, but my phone's been playing up, so I won't promise nothing, but if I can I'll put some in the end. Alright, let's do these ones. Oh, good start. Standard as well looks. Yeah, another standard. Another one. I can mess about. I'm going to repin it all anyway. They're all standard. Three, six. Well, obviously there's nothing done to the cores or to the core. That's not touched. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to repin this, but I'll take a couple of pictures of it. I just want to ask something about the viewers. I don't always have a key for my locks. I think basically if I'm doing a challenge lock, there shouldn't be a key with it, because it's a challenge lock and you should use your abilities to disassemble it. But that's my opinion. So if you'd like to jot down at the end of the video in the comments whether you think there should be a key with it or there shouldn't. That's all. No catch, no wrong answer. It's just that I'll start buying in some keys if everyone says I should do. Anyway, that's that done. I spent far too long on this, 8 minutes or so I think. So Vic's Pick and Lock, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.